Ang dami yung failure, SEC. And bringing all those documents here, right now, failure na naman kayo. Yung pag-approve nyo ng pag-approve ng mga iba't ibang korporasyon, doon tayo nagkaroon ng failure eh. Isa yan sa mga naging failure. Kasi hindi naman po kami hindi po kami Superman. July 17, when we asked you to give us the documents pertaining to the request of Congresswoman Luistro, and you're telling us that on the way pa lang sila. You're wasting our time, SEC. And we have asked the Security and Exchange Commission and also the SEC to provide us with all those articles of incorporation of all those mentioned, na mga illegal the illegal bogus.
Mr. Chair.
Andito po ang SEC. SEC, have you provided us with all the lists that Congresswoman Luistro were asking in the last hearing? Please open your mic, please. SEC,
Chair,
please reply.
Yeah, we have provided we are also provided the soft copy, Your Honor. We are updating the Google Docs. We provided the committees, and the hard copies are underway, Chair.
You have provided us with what?
The soft copy initially, Your Honor.
To the COMSEC?
To the committees, yes. We have
COMSEC? No, we were, SEC, we're talking about the 402 illegal pogos,
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have submitted to us?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we're updating the Google Docs because it's the 400 is not yet. I think it's just about 250.
Okay, wait. The COMSEC is hereby directed to reply to the answer of the Security and Exchange Commission.
Mr. Chair, the SEC sent us an email with attached Google Drive link. We requested access, so we have not been able to check the contents of that Google Drive, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
From the horse's mouth. So, hindi nyo pa binibigyan na access para makita namin yung sinend ninyo. Yes, sige, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, we gave access to the official accounts of the committee. If personal accounts would be used to access this link, may we request the Secretary to provide us with the names of the accounts which will be accessing the drive so we can grant them access to these files, Mr. Chair.
Pero you haven't bring any hard copy of the requested documents? No. What I'm asking is, have you provided this committee with a hard copy? 402 corporations lang naman yan eh. Have you provided us?
Mr. Chair, it's already on the way. We will be providing
It's already what?
on the way here, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
July 17, when we asked you to give us the documents pertaining to the request of Congresswoman Luistro, and you're telling us that on the way pa lang sila, those voluminous documents that you will be submitting us will be given also to the members. How can we check all these documents kung dadalhin on the way pa lang siya ngayon during the hearing? You're wasting our time, SEC. Ha?
Mr. Chair.
Hindi na nga po responsable yung pagbibigay niyo ng mga different ng approval sa mga different corporations eh. Actually, yun ang napapag-usapan natin sa Committee on Accounts, sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sa Committee on Public Order. Because approve kayo ng approve ng mga corporations. Di ba? Yung GIS, napapalitan every month, pwedeng palitan. Yung iba, nagpapalit at the end of the year na lang. Ang dami yung failure, SEC. And bringing all those documents here, right now, failure na naman kayo. Please, ayusin nyo yung departamento nyo.
Mr. Chair, just an inquiry with the indulgence of Congresswoman Luistro. This is germane to her request, Mr.
Well,
Chair.
anyway, before I acknowledge the recognized Congressman Adjong, please sa SEC kasi we need to reform, no? Nakita namin yung pagkakamali dito sa nangyayaring ito, yung pag-approve nyo ng pag-approve ng mga iba't ibang korporasyon, doon tayo nagkaroon ng failure eh. Isa yan sa mga naging failure. Di ba? Even doon sa mga...
Transmitted are 25 companies lang.
O see?
400.
Yes, exactly. So on the way pa raw yung 475. Ay yung 375. 25 pa lang yung submitted nyo. Di ba? 25? Comsec, can you please answer back, please? Para hindi ako nagsasalita, kayo mismo, na we are tasking them to collect all these documents. And to the resource speakers, may this be a reminder na kapag humingi po kami ng mga dokumento, dapat at least 3 days man lang, mabigay nyo na sa committee. Kasi hindi naman po kami, hindi po kami Superman. Pinag-aaralan din po namin yan. Give us time to study it. After all, this is for all of us. Hindi lang naman sa amin to eh. We can suggest to the SEC what to do. Pero it's suggestion based on what we have studied. Sana magkaroon po tayo ng kooperasyon because the President is specifically stated, di ba? Mahalin natin ang mga Pilipino, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Sige, Comsec.
On the part of the Committee on Games and Amusements, 25 companies, the documents of the 25 companies were emailed to the committee.
For example, makikita mo naman yung mga corporations, different ang mga names, panay Chinese. Ako nga, mamaya may i-discuss ako sa inyo that ditong sa Whirlwind, panay Chinese ang nakalagay na pangalan dun. In the first place, that is ano ba yun? Sa abogado, Boyd Abnisio. Di ba? Mali na sa simula pa lamang. Are we going to not relax that provision of yours?
Mr. Chair, to clarify lang po, as per last hearing po kasi, we were under the impression na yung legal na POGOs po kasi we did not have the list of the 400 plus na
ayun, yan ang sinasabi ko.
Included
kasi,
din po ba yung illegal?
You listen in the discussion, no, please, resource persons, no. The last hearing, sinabi ko yon dito, tanda ko, that the documents pertaining to the illegal POGOs are with us. Coordinate para at least maibigay sa inyo yung mga yung copy, soft and hard, para mabigay niyo sa amin yung dokumento pertaining to that 402 illegal POGOs. And even the city leagues and municipal league, we invited them over to have these documents for their action eh. Unfortunately, wala pa rin ang mga liga ng city and municipal. And we have to remind them that hindi po natatapos doon sa pagsasara ng POGO to. Doon pa lang po tayo nagsisimula para maayos natin. Remember, itong 402 na to na hindi natin ng mga illegal at mga legal na isasara, hindi natin alam kung saan pupunta yan. Baka tuwan-tuwa sila dahil wala ng POGO. Kasi, ang gagawin nila, di magbubukis na yan, parang bukis na yan. Di ba? And we have to be more wary about this. Kailangan natin lalong maging mapagmatsyag, in other words. Okay, kung ako, please.
Mr. Chair, in the last hearing, BIR was required to submit a list of registered income taxpayers who are foreign nationals and have been issued working visas. The second requirement is for BIR to provide copies of the tax records for the 402 or 407 identified illegal POGOs. Yun po yung requirement natin sa kanila. So, I think the query of the Honorable Luistro is in order.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Congresswoman Luistro. Thank you, Congressman Ako. But before you proceed, the Chair would like to recognize our Honorable Aurelio Dong Gonzales, our Senior Deputy Speaker, after which we will be recognizing him in order to deliver the message of the Speaker. So before we proceed, Congressman Representative Eric Buhain is acknowledged. Go ahead,
Mr. Chair, to supplement the manifestation of the Honorable Akop, I just wish to remind the committee that this request for the issuance of PIR registration is to test the consistency of the records of DOLE, Bureau of Immigration, and BIR with respect to the issuances of working visa, Mr. Chair. So I confirm the manifestation of the Honorable Akop that the initial document which are being requested are the records of those foreign nationals who are registered with the BIR. That's for one. And the second is the BIR registration of the 400 plus illegal POGOs. Mr. Chair.